Hi, I'm Nathanial Vogel, and this is Prince Aeschylus from Romeo and Juliet. Rebellious subjects, enemies to peace, profaners of this neighbor stained in steel, will they not hear? What ho! You men, you beasts that quench the fire of your pernicious rage with purple fountains issuing from your veins, on pain of torture from your bloodied hands, throw your mistempered weapons to the ground, and hear the sentence of your moved prince. 3 civil brawls, bred of an airy word, by thee, old Capulet and Montague, have thrice disturbed the quiet of our streets, and made Verona's ancient citizens cast by their grave beseeming ornaments, to wield old partisans in hands as old, cankered with peace, to part your cankered hate. If ever you disturb the quiet of our streets again, your lives shall pay the forfeit of the peace. For now, all the rest depart away. You, Capulet, shall go along with me, and Montague, come you this afternoon to know our further pleasure in this case, to old Freetown, our common judgment place. Once more, on pain of death, all men, depart! Thank you.